Good morning, class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the capital account. Today, we are going to discuss about the components of capital account. What are the components which are included in capital account? So, we can say mainly there are two types of components of BOP. Current account. First is borrowing and second one is foreign investment. Okay, these are the two basic component of current account. Okay, so borrowing, you know very well what is the meaning of borrowing. Okay, again borrowing can be classified into two parts. First is external commercial borrowing and second one we can say external assistance. Okay, these all are the, or we can say these are the two parts of borrowing. Okay, beta. The principal difference between the two means external commercial borrowing and external assistance is that while external commercial borrowing is available at a market rate of interest in the international money market, while external assistance is available at a concessional rate of interest. Okay, if you want borrowing for the commercial purpose, then you will have to pay higher rate, while if you want external help for the assistance or non-commercial purpose, then you will have to pay the less rate of interest. Okay, beta. So borrowing from the rest of the world raises our liability to rest of the world, but what we have to keep in mind that it is recorded as a credit item in the capital account of BOP. Okay, borrowing will be recorded as a capital item of the account of BOP. The reason is all receipts of foreign exchange are recorded as credit item in the BOP account. Thus, borrowing of rest of the world would be recorded as debit item in the capital account, as it causes flow of foreign exchange from our country to rest of the world. Okay, in simple language we can say if foreign currency, foreign exchange is coming to India, then we will record it as credit side, and if foreign exchange is going from India, then we will record it as a debit item. Okay, beta. Now foreign investment again we can classify foreign investment in two parts. First is portfolio and second one is FDI. Okay, it is also called FII. Okay, so when foreigners are investing money in the share and bond of a particular of India, then it is known as FII, foreign institutional investment. And when or we can say foreign direct investment relate to the ownership of enterprise by rest of the world. Okay, like suppose if other countries company is investing in local countries company, that is known as FDI, foreign direct investment. Okay, example is Walmart. Walmart is the largest retail company which has opened its retail outlet in India. Okay, I hope all these things are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.